Welcome back! Today we're going to Racetown, USA, Mooresville, North Carolina. We're gonna pick up a legend car from 860 Motorsport. That will be CJ that owns that, and we're gonna give you a little quick tour in his warehouse. He has a lot of nice cars in there. This is called a legend car. They are roughly about 1100 pounds. Does 0 to 60 in 4 seconds. They have a motorcycle engine. They are dominating right now the motorsport market in basically every country that uses them. Just because they are cheap, they are easy to work on, and they are what we would call most bang for the buck. If you're into racing, this is about the most fun you can have with still have your clothes on. We are loaded up and ready to roll, and on the way we're making a stop at Hubbard's Impala Parts. So if you ever need any parts or whatsoever, we usually pass this place about twice a month. The shipping is usually what kills the price, so if you just let us know, we can pick something up for you. Till next time, have a great day.